in Anguilla for a vacate. It's going down at the Villa, nigga, Mayday. 100 grand, that's the estimated week rate. For peak's sake, that's the lightest way that we play. I got the presidential role, he said it my time. Do all that hating niggas dishing, come with pom-poms. I fly your lady to whatever state the boy in. And you ain't even gotta ask, just know I'm going in. Whew, believe me. My new shit gon' wake you right up out your sleep. And they ain't tryna find nobody else to be. Cause I'm a motherfucking beast. Yeah, still at it, I'ma get them body bag. It ain't no secret automatic. Once the fuss and all the static, got the Lambo doing magic, disappearing out in traffic. I'm just adding up the money, boy, it's simple mathematics. I was young without a daddy, reason why I'm such a savage. If you playing with my people, they gon' have to pick your casket on guard. I'm a don. You ain't nothing but a pebble in the pond. Watch the snakes stay approaching on the lawn. Hood nation, they could never break the bond. Hey, they ain't even gotta flex. You don't really want me coming at your neck. I got now, and I got next. If I don't answer, tell your bitch to send a text, nigga. And I'ma beat it, nigga. Believe me. She gon' travel around the world for the D. This is greatness in the making, boy, I been a threat. Hey, Wiggins, nigga, you ain't get to see it yet. Ever want me in your city, better send a check. I don't need a pet, you know when you see a vet. Tell the critics go to hell. I'm the one they rooting for like Johnny Manziel. Sorry for the weight I had to tamper with the scale. Fuck your favorite rapper, that's the word to run and tell, huh? Y'all done got me on my old flow. I'ma ride for my niggas and the logo. Know the squad, hood nation if you didn't know. Signed sealed by the realest you would ever know.